We'll guide you through how to make text into boxes in Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to format their messages in Discord using boxed text or code blocks. This feature helps make messages clearer, more organized, and easier to read. It is especially useful for sharing code, highlighting important text, or improving the overall appearance of messages and chats. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. Once you have typed it, choose the official website of Discord from the search results. After that, click the website to open it. When the Discord homepage appears, click the Login button. Enter your email address in the email field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Then click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, verify your account if required by following the instructions shown on the screen. Once your account is verified, look for the server you want to use. Find the server from your server list on the left side of the screen. Then click the server to open it. After the server opens, look for the chat field at the bottom of the screen. Click the chat field so you can start typing your message. Then type 3 backticks using your keyboard. After typing the 3 backticks, type the message you want to send inside the backticks. Once you finish typing your message, type 3 backticks again to close the box. Next, press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. Your text will appear in a boxed format automatically in the chat. This format makes your message look like a code block in the chat. The boxed text will be visible to other users in the server. They will be able to read your message clearly in the formatted box. Make sure the backticks are placed correctly before and after your message so the format appears properly. If the backticks are not typed correctly, the message will not appear in a box. After sending the message, you can continue using the chat field to send more messages if needed. Repeat the same steps if you want to send another boxed message. Always start with 3 backticks, type your message, and close with 3 backticks again before pressing Enter.